Hi guys, it's your girl Diva and I'm back with another video. Yes, another video for you girlies out there. Literally, today's video is going to be me doing my eyeshadow look using my favorite color. So, I'm not going to be talking in this video. I want you guys to sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, grab a glass of wine or eat something, because today it's this chill vibe. So you sit back and watch me do my makeup with some nice melodies in the back. So before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button, making sure all your notification bell is on so you don't miss a video. Sorry for talking so slow, but I'm trying to get into your head so you don't miss a video. So girls, sit back and relax and let your girl do her video. Anyway, have a sip of my tea before I start. Right guys, catch you on the other side.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Anything that you want. But you get a bit better.
Right guys, this is the finished look. What you guys think? Yeah, this is my favorite color. I love green. Green is just literally just earthy, and I'm a Taurus and I'm an earth sign, and to be honest, that's our favorite colors anyway. But yes guys, let me know what you think of this look. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like. Okay, anyway guys, just hit that like button. Make sure you do, and just don't forget to subscribe before you finish this video. Oh yeah, also please, when you do leave your comments, please give me any suggestions of what you want me to do in upcoming videos. I would love to hear from you guys. So I'm out. Bye.